Students, good day. Today we're going to create your laboratory activity number 11, winning percentage. So we have your instruction. Using NetBeans or Java compiler, create a class named winning percentage. Using what you have learned in arithmetic operators and variables, create the program. So we are also given a problem. Create a program that will compute the winning average of Granger's team last basketball tournament. Use the data given below. So we have the total number of games played, which is 25 games. The total of won games is 19 and the total of lost games is 6. Important note, make sure to comment your complete name and the date of submission in your code window. So we are also given expected output for this program. So we are expected to display the given at runtime and of course the computed winning average of the game. So let's go to your NetBeans or any Java compiler to create the program. So let's go to your File tab. New project, and then in our new project dialog box, select Java with Maven, then Java application, and click next. For our project name, we're going to use winning percentage, and we're going to save this project in our desktop. So we're going to click browse. In our select project location, we're going to select desktop and of course new folder to create a dedicated folder for this project. We're going to name this folder as project 11 winning percentage. Then we're going to select our created folder and click open. For our package, we're going to delete this one and just click finish. Okay, now in our project navigation pane, we're going to expand the icon of our project, and of course we're going to select source packages and select default package. Right click and then select new, and of course Java class. For our class name, we're going to use winning percentage, and of course click finish. In our code window, we're going to type PS, VM, and tab key in our keyboard to generate our public static void main. And of course, we're going to declare our variable. So based on the problem, there are at least 3 variables for this project. We have the total number of games, the number of games won, and of course, the number of lost game. Of course, we're going to add another one, which is the percentage of winning. So let's start with your total number of games. So we're going to declare that as integer. Give it a name of total, and of course a value of 25 based on the given, followed by the number of winning games. We're going to name this as 1 and give it a data type of integer and a value of 19. Also, we have your lost game, so we're going to give it a data type of integer and lost, and of course a value of 6. Also, we have your percentage of winning. So in the percentage of winning, we're going to declare that as double, and of course a name of percentage, for example, and a value. For a value, we're going to use the formula in computing the winning percentage. So the formula for to compute the winning percentage is one number of 1 games, and of course multiply by 100 divide by total games. So start with our variable for the winning game, which is the 1 multiplied by 100, and of course divide that by the total number of games and semicolon. So we are done writing our codes for the declaration of the variables. What is left is to display this at runtime. So let's start with displaying our given at runtime, starting with system.out.print, printing the data from the last game. Printing data from the last tournament. Okay, so we are able to write the code for to print the given at runtime. Now it's time to write the code for the computed winning average to be displayed at runtime. So let's start with system.out.print tab key total computing winning percentage as a prompt. So computing winning percentage. Alright, we are through with our code. So we are able to declare the variables for the code, the total of won games, the won games and the lost games, and of course we are able to compute for the percentage of winning by multiplying the games by 100 and divide it by the total number of games played. We are also able to write the code to display the given of the problem at runtime and of course the result of our computation. What is left now is to save our work. So save all project button, then run project command and select the main class. Okay, students, we are able to successfully run our project. So we are able to display the given at runtime and of course the result of the winning, the result of our computation of winning percentage, which is 76.0%. And that's it for your laboratory activity number 11, winning percentage. Thank you for your time, students, and see you again in our next project.